Yesterday I asked you, when did you stop believing in Santa?
This fucking weird motherfucker over here. Punch him! Punch him! Punch Santa! I got a 2x4 here. Oh, maybe you should fucking hit Santa! Hit Santa! With a fucking 2x4? Is that what you want to see? Before this tree is already done. So hey, Merry fucking Christmas, everybody. Fuck out of here, Santa! Merry fucking Christmas! It just got really cold in here. Check the news. Check the news. What are you talking about?
There have been no reports on if the chip has sent back a yes, still alive.
I mean, who's gonna get me my Conductor Cadet 2160 train set? This is terrible, truly terrible. I hope they throw the book at whoever it was that did this.